Hey, I'm Aubrey from Aubrey Originals. Welcome to my channel where I show you my fun new hobby of buying craft supplies without actually doing crafts. Just kidding, but kind of also not. I received my Mermaid Teal Cricut Mystery Box today, so I wanted to create a quick video to show you all the fun contents. This box was released Wednesday, April 28th at 11:30 a.m. and I'm pretty sure that's the exact time it came out because I've been watching the Cricut site like a hawk for mystery boxes. A bit obsessive? Maybe. Do I have a problem? No. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, let's unbox this thing. First item is permanent vinyl. This is the mixed Mosaic dragon sampler. It has one sheet of the dragon or mermaid scales and then 3 other pattern sheets. Next is glitter iron-on mesh in Aqua. I still have yet to try glitter iron-on. I have too many other crafts going on at the moment. We've got iron-on vinyl. This is the Holographic Mosaic Aurora sampler. Then permanent glitter vinyl in purple. It's very pretty and shimmery in person, even if I'm not actually a purple person. We've got another roll of permanent vinyl, holographic bubbles in bright teal. A roll of transfer tape. I'm growing quite the collection of transfer tape these days. Ooh, this is fun. Infusible ink transfer sheets in Lilac. And more Infusible ink in the Mermaid Rainbow sampler. I'm new to Infusible ink, so now I better go buy some compatible blanks. And finally, what we've been waiting for, the Cricut Cutie. This is the Teal Cricut Cutie. I love him so much. Just remember, if you're buying a Cricut mystery box in the hopes of getting a cutie, make sure the box is Access exclusive and at the higher price point of $49.99, and then you can usually expect that a cutie will be included. Alright, that is all for this box. Maybe one of these days my crafting will catch up to my purchasing of craft supplies, and I'll put together some ideas of how you can actually use the materials in your mystery boxes. Is that something you'd like to see? Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.